Did you know your iPhone can listen for sounds like doorbells, alarms, or even a baby crying, and alert you instantly? Let me show you how. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Tap Sound and Name Recognition. And then turn on Sound Recognition. Tap Sounds below and enable the noises you want. Enable the noises you want monitored, such as fire, smoke alarm, water running, knock, etc. Place your iPhone centrally in the room you want monitored and keep it unobstructed for best pickup. Watch for the visual notification banner. Sound notification can be controlled in the iPhone Control Center. It can be turned off or on.